How to select all photos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. The purpose of a phone's Photos or Gallery app is to view, organize, and manage photos and videos stored on the device. Once you're in Photos, tap on the Select button located in the top right corner of the screen. Press your finger on the first photo you want to select. Without lifting your finger, immediately drag it across the screen over the other photos. As you drag, every photo your finger touches will be selected. Continue dragging until all the desired photos are highlighted with a blue check mark. This way, you get full control over how you use the Photos app. Following these steps, you can easily select all photos on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.